We all know the wind power is one of the cleanest, most renewable energy sources on the planet. But if you're picturing the big, bulky wind turbines you see on those scenic hillsides with their giant blades spinning lazily in the wind, you might not be familiar with the vertical axis wind turbine. Today, we are going to introduce you to this sleek, under the radar wind machine that's quietly making its mark in the world of renewable energy. Think of it as the cool, innovative cousin of traditional wind turbines, but with a few twists of its own. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is this? In simple terms, it's wind turbine where the blades spin around a vertical axis. No, I didn't say horizontal, like the wind turbines you have used to see. Think of the vertical like the cooler young sibling who loves to stand out and be different, while horizontal axis wind turbines needs to rotate face the wind. Verticals have a superpower. They can capture wind from any direction without needing to turn. They are like the multitaskers of the wind turbine world. And here's the kicker. They are perfect for the urban settings. They don't need as much space and can operate in gusty, unpredictable winds. So, you can actually see these little guys on the rooftops or in places where large turbines just wouldn't fit in.
Now let's talk about the materials that make a vertical axis wind turbine tick. Just like a great sports car needs a strong engine, a vertical axis wind turbine needs the right materials to keep running smoothly, especially when it's spinning like there's no tomorrow. Here are the main contenders. Aluminium alloys, lightweight, strong and perfect for the blades. You want a turbine that spins fast but doesn't weigh a ton, right? Stainless steel for the shaft and frame. This is where we get all that corrosion resistance because, let's face it, wind turbines are outdoors all day, every day, dealing with everything Mother Nature throws at them. And then there's the composite materials like fiberglass or carbon fiber. Strong, light and cost effective. These materials keep the turbine nimble and efficient without compromising on durability. So whether it's with metal or composite, these materials are chosen not just for their performance, but also their ability to endure the constant poundings from wind, rain, and everything else that comes from being outdoors. If you want your turbine to last 15 to 20 years, you better make sure the materials are top-notch.
Some energy, but the long term of environmental payoff is huge. Once up and running, a VAWT produces clean, renewable energy that helps reduce carbon emissions, fossil fuel dependency. Plus, aluminum and steel are used in the turbine, are recyclable, so making the entire life cycle more sustainable. So, while we may need to use a bit of power to build the turbine, it will pay back in dividends in the form of clean power. And isn't that what we were after?
To wrap things up, let's not just see the vertical axis wind turbine as a piece of technology. Let's see it as a vision of the future. A future where we don't just rely on vast open fields to harvest wind energy, but bring that power to where people actually live. Imagine this: clean, renewable energy generated from rooftops, city streets, and even skyscrapers. The vertical axis wind turbine could be the answer to powering the smart cities of tomorrow. Compact, efficient, and environmentally friendly. So as we face the urgent challenge of climate change, the vertical axis wind turbine offers a glimmer of hope and a way forward. It's a turbine that's not just fit for the future, but also designed to blend seamlessly into our modern urban lives. Now that's pretty exciting, isn't it? The future of the wind power isn't just about towering giants on the horizon, it's about quiet, elegant machines working in harmony with our cities. And who knows, your building or your neighbourhood could be the next start to generating clean power with a vertical axis wind turbine.